Subscribe to Green Technology for more powerful machines, smart engineering, and extreme heavy-duty work. Today, we're watching tractors, haulers, recovery crews, and heavy machines take on mud, ice, steep roads, and impossible loads. Steel against steel, the New Holland 7000, 200 faces, the Deutz Agrotron, 200 inches a raw tractor tug-of-war, where horsepower, torque, and deep tire grip decide everything. The tires bite hard against the pavement, engines strain, and both machines fight for control. No excuses, no shortcuts, only pure pulling force. Pick a side and see which tractor owns the ground. On the 21st of July 2013, Quingentoli, Italy came alive with classic tractors roaring across the field. Old diesel machines thundered through the dirt, showing raw torque, heavy iron, and timeless mechanical strength. The engines growled, the plows cut deep, and these vintage machines proved they were not just working tools. They were still powerful performers with fearless spirit. It is time to get back into the dirt. The tractor show is still alive, and it is not only the big famous brands taking the spotlight. Belarus and Kloss machines roll in loud and heavy, proving that older iron can still bite hard when traction and pulling force really matter. The Timberjack 380B does more than move logs. It conquers rough terrain. Its massive tires claw through deep mud, while the hydraulics keep it pushing forward like a forest tank. With precise steering and heavy pulling power, it stays locked on course where weaker machines would sink, stall, and give up. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Transporting oversized machinery is exactly the kind of job the Scania R450 handles with confidence. Its strong torque, reliable powertrain, and stable handling make it well suited for moving large equipment through narrow, complicated, or demanding routes. The deadly roads of the Peruvian Andes create a serious challenge for every driver, especially through the dangerous Huancayo-Chuco Transandean routes. Professional drivers have to guide heavy vehicles across narrow mountain terrain where every turn demands skill, focus, and total control. Snow turns this Romanian tractor into a prisoner. The wheels spin with no grip, wasting power against the frozen ground. No chains, no traction, no progress. Then a simple upgrade changes everything. Steel chains bite deep, grip returns, and the machine starts moving forward again through brutal winter terrain. Unsafe gas cylinders turn this scene into chaos. The sharp blasts are a clear reminder of what poor handling can cause. Hazardous material safety on highways is not just important, it is critical, because one loose load can turn a normal transport into a serious emergency. Moving a 240-ton transformer is a challenge that demands teamwork, planning, and precision. From securing the load to guiding it through tight turns, every part of the operation requires top-level experience. Heavy transport at this scale is not about speed, it is about control. The Volvo FH750, paired with a modern extendable trailer, creates a powerful combination for heavy transport. Advanced suspension A massive gas tank moves straight through the center of Fredericia, making the surrounding buildings look small. This is what heavy transport is all about. Huge scale, careful routing, controlled power, and skilled crews moving impossible loads through public streets. If you enjoy watching powerful and perfect machines, remember to subscribe to the channel. We bring you the most impressive and amazing technologies from around the world. At the Dusseldorf Fairground, a heavy load is being moved with careful coordination. For a moment, the wheels struggle and spin in the mud, but the crew gets the situation under control. In heavy hauling, small setbacks are part of the job. What matters is how quickly the team brings the operation back on track. When a special transport vehicle becomes an unexpected obstacle, the mechanics have their work cut out for them. Moving heavy equipment is never just about the machine itself. It is about solving problems when the route does not go as planned. The Mercedes SK Heavy Tractor Unit is a strong example of classic engineering. Paired with the mighty 992 wheel loader, it shows the kind of durability and pulling power older machines are known for. Seeing equipment like this still in good condition proves how well real industrial machines were built. The John Deere 4020 comes roaring back to life with 113 horsepower of old-school steel muscle. It takes on rough fields, heavy plowing, and deep pulling work while still lifting the front end like a beast. No electronics, no overcomplication, just raw torque and balance. This is not only nostalgia, this is real power that refuses to fade. The New Holland 3230 is drowning in mud. The tires are swallowed, torque is wasted, and every rotation only digs it deeper. This is not simply getting stuck. It is a fight against the ground itself. Only smart pulling, teamwork, and steady recovery force can bring this machine back from the mud. That Rockabilly 65 is not just hauling hay. It is fighting physics on slippery ice. The front end lifts, the machine balances on the edge, and raw diesel torque keeps the old iron moving. No electronics, no modern safety net. One wrong move, and the whole setup could tip. Place your bets. The New Holland T6040 enters with smooth power, but the Deutz K110 answers with raw torque and grit. Two machines, one pull, no mercy. Only one of them can prove which tractor controls the ground. You would expect the versatile 2425 to crush through almost anything. Big tires, brutal diesel torque, and a heavy-duty design make it look unstoppable. But here, mud takes control. The wheels spin, power goes nowhere, and even a machine built for extreme conditions can be humbled when the ground fights back. One wrong move, and broken wood could have torn the tire clean off the rim. Instead, the operator turns danger into escape. A rough wooden chain setup becomes the tool that gives the machine just enough pull to get free. If you love technology, incredible power, and amazing footage, please support the channel by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more amazing machine videos every day. The Kiravet's K700 is built like a beast, but even giants have limits. Hauling hay through deep mud and melting snow, it finally meets its match. The tires spin, the engine roars, but the machine refuses to move. Fortunately, another K700 rolls in to make the rescue. Using a Caterpillar dozer to clear a river shows just how versatile heavy equipment can be. The machine removes debris, improves water flow, and helps prevent dangerous blockages. Work like this supports both infrastructure stability and ecological balance. In this lifting and transport setup, the load is spread across multiple axles to prevent individual wheels and tires from being overloaded. Special load distribution software and real-time monitoring help optimize movement, keeping the entire operation smooth, stable, and safe. Why drive straight into that swamp? Because this John Deere 7000 280R is built to break clay, open the ground, and improve drainage fast. Deep traction and heavy torque give it serious capability, but even this machine starts to sink. That hole has swallowed tractors for years, and here, horsepower meets its ultimate test. A Komatsu 830E 5 mining truck weighs an incredible 906,400 pounds. Moving it to a mine site is a massive operation involving Volvo heavy haulers and a trained escort team. Every detail has to be managed carefully, because equipment this large leaves no room for careless planning. With the C&C SQR 4251D6 ZT4 truck produced by Sherry Commercial Vehicle, these giant blades are transported with impressive control. The tractor is built for demanding heavy-duty work, handling massive equipment and difficult loads with confidence. A MAZ 5440, built for highways, slides into an icy ditch. This is no smooth pavement. It is raw, Russian mud and ice. One tractor is not enough, so two machines step in. Engines roar, chains tighten, and the recovery becomes a fight between machines and unforgiving ground. If you love our channel, its superior power, and its exciting footage, please support us by subscribing and liking. This will help us continue bringing you more cutting-edge technology and amazing videos every day. Mud locks the wheels, traction disappears, and solid power means almost nothing. Then a 110 horsepower New Holland steps in with wider grip, heavier pull, and pure recovery force. This is not only about horsepower, it is about traction, control, and refusing to let the ground swallow the machine alive.